Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable system visual effects in Windows 10. On Windows 10, you will find many visual effects, from animations to shadows to more advanced visual elements, such as blur and transparency, and part of the Fluent Design language. Although these effects can make the experience more visually appealing, they also require resources that can slow down computers with older hardware. However, you can disable these effects to save resources and make Windows 10 feel faster. To disable Windows visual effects, follow the steps. Open Settings. System. About. Under the Related Settings section, click the Advanced System Settings option from the right pane. Click the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click the Settings button. Click the Visual Effects tab. Select the Adjust for Best Performance option to disable all the effects and animations. Quick tip, using this option will also affect the way fonts are rendered. If you want to keep fonts crisp and more readable, select the Custom option, clear all the settings, but leave the Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts option checked. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. Once you complete the steps, the visual effects will be disabled, and interacting with elements will feel more responsive. This covers disabling system visual effects in Windows 10. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.